An exotic animal sanctuary in Stony Ridge has a problem. If it doesn't make some changes by November, it might be shut down. Fox Toledo's Sean Hegarty met with the owner tonight and says he's not giving up without a fight.
No way is what he told me tonight. He's going to go as far as he has to with this. The biggest problem over at Tiger Ridge Exotics is the fencing. He's passed all the old inspections, but 2 days ago he found out that now he does not pass those inspections. So he kind of has to start over, and the time crunch is really on because he only has until November 1st to make the changes. That's 1 month. Money, supplies, and most importantly, time not on his side.
Which means Asia the tiger might have to find a new home, a home that might be hard to find.
Probably these animals that I have here probably wouldn't even be alive if it wasn't for me. You know, you really get an attachment to them. But then all of a sudden, you're looking around and you're not sure what's going to happen down the road.
That's because USDA inspectors say, among other things, these outer fences need to be 8 feet high. They're 4 right now.
But at the same time, they're saying that I had the most beautiful animals that they've ever seen, that they're absolutely beautiful.
After paying for food, supplies, and general upkeep, the donations, which some days can be as high as $40, don't go far.
From just what I do here, just my wife and me, with no help whatsoever other than just the two of us doing this for a long time, now all of a sudden everything we're doing is not good enough.
So after almost 40 years of raising these 1,300-pound children, the clock is ticking.
I got plenty of people that's willing to help me do this, but the big problem is my supplies.
Obviously, donations are the biggest need right now. Hetrick doesn't charge anyone to go see those animals, and that's why he takes the donations, and he's hoping that they get him through this next month.